Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST quad cab. Under the hood, we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look around. This guy is in black and it looks very nice. We got the chrome grille up here as well as the chrome bumper as well. We do also have halogen quad headlamps here, and they are incredibly bright. It also does come on a pair of Goodyear brand tires, and they are 17-inch rims as well, and there's still a lot of tread left on those guys, and those rims look really cool on it as well. So we have the heated mirrors over here, and they are in the matte black. They look real nice. We got the Ram 1500 logo right down there. Now coming around the back here, we do have the 4x4 logo there and the Ram logo right there. And as well, it is a 6-foot box, and it does have the cover on it right there. So let's open it up and take a look. It does have the bed liner on it, so it's not going to get all scratched up, which is really nice. And then you also have the cover, so it'll protect things from the rain or from people seeing it. Okay, let's jump on in here. So we got our keys, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock all the doors, and you do have your panic button up there. But let's unlock and jump on in. On the door here, we do have power windows, mirrors, and locks all right there, as well as a bit of storage there and a bit more down here. Right here is our seat warmer, which is so very important, especially in the winter. Keep your butt toasty. You got the lean back there. And then up here you also have your light control. So you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin lights right there. And then this guy does control your high beams and your windshield wipers. Okay, now that we're inside, let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our oil temperature. And we got the speedometer and the temperature outside. Now we can switch that up. We got the speedometer, we got our vehicle info, fuel economy, we got trip A and B, we have our stored messages, screen setup, and our settings, as well as we can turn the menu off if it is too bright for us. It also has what channel we're on up there. Now that is all controlled from right here, right from the center. So you never have to take your hand off the steering wheel, which is always so nice and important, keep you safe. Horn in the middle, and you have your cruise control options on the other side. This guy here is our gear shift, so all you gotta do is foot on the brake and turn it. And that is how you shift gears. You also got your 4-wheel lock, your 4-wheel low, and your neutral down there. Now we do have our radio here, which is super nice. We got our SiriusXM, and it does come with a year of SiriusXM when you do purchase the vehicle. You also have your AM and your FM, of course, and you got your media tab if you did have a phone or media device hooked up through an aux cord or a USB. Then down here you do have your presets, as well as your info and your ABC there. And then you got your volume up and down, as well as your power right there. And then you also have your skip and mute and pause and all that. You got your audio options down there, and then your browser right there. You also down here have all of your climate control options. So you have your power up and down, you have your circulation, you got your heat and your hazard lights, you got your AC, and then you have where it's going to blow out of. Down here you do also have your traction control and your tow and haul mode, and then this guy does open up and you got some space in there. Plus you got 2 chargers, one there, one right over there. In the center here you do have your armrest, which doubles as a storage container like that. You got a couple coin holders here, and then right over here you do also have your USB, your aux cord, and another plug-in right over there. Now you also have 3 cup holders here. And you have your, you can lift it up, and then it actually doubles as another seat. So you can seat 6 people all together. Lots of room in here for that. Now over here you do also have a glove box. You can open that up and you got your owner's manual and whatnot in there. And you got your other kind of storage container right up there. Okay, let's jump in the back here, open this guy up. And they do have control over their own windows back here, as well as there's the handle. And you got a bit of storage up here. And you got some leg room back here. It is very soft, very comfortable. And it's just very stylish back here as well. Now you can also lift this guy up, and you got some storage room right underneath for some additional storage if you did need to put some stuff in here and that doesn't take up any more space. You also got some cup holders there for your passengers back here. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 ST quad cab. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.